You know the right way to interpret the equal sign when programming is assign or bind to. For instance, assign 5 to the power of 3 to the variable y. Bind 5 to the power of 3 to y. This means from that moment for the computer, y will be equal to 125. Here's what will happen when you double the equality sign. Let me type y double equality sign 125. The correct way to read this code is y equals 125. When you run this command, the computer will assume you have requested an answer to the question, is y really equal to 125? This is why, after the execution of this cell, the machine will respond with a Boolean value. It will either return true or false. Let's check our output when we state y is equal to 126. Great! The machine replied with false because 125 and 126 are different numbers. Wonderful! Remember, when you mean equality between values and not assignment of values in Python, you'll need the double equality sign. Anytime you use it, you will obtain one of the two possible outcomes, true or false. In our next video, we will show you how variables can be reassigned in Python. Thank you for watching.